Today's class is on trigonometric equations. Principal solution. The solution of a trigonometric equation lying in 0 to 2 pi, that is 0 less than equal to x less than 2 pi, is called its principal solution. 0 to 2 pi, closed interval 0, 2 pi open interval. If sin theta is equal to, suppose if sin theta is equal to half, then theta lying between 0 to 2 pi, lying between 0 to 2 pi are pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6. Thus, this pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6 are principal solutions of sin theta is equal to half. How pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6? There are 4 quadrants: all, sine, tan, cos. There are 4 quadrants. Now, sin theta is equal to half is equal to sin pi by 6. Sin theta is equal to half is equal to sin pi by 6. Sin theta is equal to half is equal to sin pi by 6. One is sin pi by 6 and the other one is sin. We can write it as how? Sin lies in the second quadrant. This pi by 6 can be written as sin pi minus pi by 6. That is equal to pi minus pi by 6 is equal to 5 pi by 6. So the solution of a trigonometric equation lying in 0 to 2 pi are pi by 6 and pi minus pi by 6, that is 5 by 6, are the principal solutions of sin theta is equal to half. Question number 1. Sin x is equal to root 3 over 2. We can write it as root 3 over 2 can be written as sin pi by 3. It is also written as sin pi minus pi by 3. Sin pi by 3 and sin pi minus, sin lies in the second quadrant. So pi minus here. So pi minus pi by 3. Sin pi minus pi by 3 also equal to sin pi by 3. Therefore, principal solutions are what? Pi by 3. One is pi by 3 and the other one is pi minus pi by 3. That is equal to 2 pi by 3. Right? Number 2. Cos x is equal to half. Cos x is equal to half. That is equal to cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 can be written as cos of 2 pi minus pi by 3. So what are the principal solutions? Principal solutions are pi by 3. Principal solutions are pi by 3 and 2 pi minus pi by 3. And 2 pi minus pi by 3 is equal to what? 5 pi by 3. Question number 3. Tan x is equal to root 3, which is equal to tan of pi by 3. This tan pi by 3 can be written as tan pi plus pi by 3. Tan pi plus pi by 3. This tan lies in the third quadrant. So you can write it as pi plus pi by 3. Pi plus pi by 3. So principal solutions are, that is x equal to x equal to, principal solutions are what? One is pi by 3, and the other one is pi plus pi by 3, that is equal to 4 pi by 3. So these are the principal solutions, means x equal to this, x equal to this. See, so what are principal solutions? I told the solution of a trigonometric equation lying in the interval 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi का बीच में ही लेना है, that is principal solution. जनरल solution क्या होता है हम बाद में आ रहे हैं, ठीक है. General solutions, all possible solutions of a trigonometric equation is called, all possible solutions of a trigonometric equation is called its general solution. General solution will always contain n. General solution will always contain general solution. General solution. What I said? All possible solutions of any trigonometric equation is called its general solution, and general solution में हमेशा एक n रहेगा. It will contain always n, that n belongs to z. तो n का values क्या होगा? N का values, the values of n will be 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, dot dot dot. तो n जो इतना वैल्यूज रहेगा, n is equal to 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, क्यों? Because we know that sin x, cos x, sec x and cosec x are periodic functions. These are periodic functions, sin, cos, sec and cosec, with a period 2 pi, and tan x, cot x are periodic functions with a period pi. Therefore, all possible solutions of any trigonometric equation is called its general solution. Suppose question number 1, if sin 2x is equal to half, then find the general solution. Sin 2x equal to half, this half can be written as sin pi by 6. Sin pi by 6. Why we have written sin pi by 6? See, we will always take the least value. We will always take the minimum value. Least value in 0 to 2 pi. We will always take the least value in 0 to 2 pi. Sin 2x equal to sin pi by 6. Least value in 0 to 2 pi. So what may be the other values? See, all sin, tan, cos, there are 4 quadrants, and here all sin, tan, cos. So one value is pi by 6 in the first quadrant, and this sin pi by 6 also can be written as sin pi minus sin, also can be written as sin pi minus pi by 6. But we will not take this value because we have to take the least value. That's why you always write sin 2x equal to half, and in place of half we will take sin pi by 6, not sin pi minus pi by 6. Okay? This implies 2x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into pi by 6, where n belongs to z. If sin theta is equal to sin alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha. In case of general solutions, if sin theta is equal to sin alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha. Here, sin 2x is equal to sin pi by 6. Sin 2x is equal to sin pi by 6. So, 2x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha, in place of alpha there is pi by 6, implies x is equal to n pi by 2 plus minus 1 to the power n into pi by 12, where n belongs to z. This is the general solution. Question 2. Root 3 sec 2x is equal to 2 given. We have to solve. This implies sec 2x is equal to 2 by root 3. So cos 2x will be equal to root 3 over 2. This root 3 over 2 can be written as cos pi by 6, cos of pi by 6, the least value. So if cos theta is equal to cos alpha, see, if cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. So here cos theta is equal to cos alpha, therefore 2x is equal to, if cos theta is equal to cos alpha, theta is equal to, that is 2x equal to 2n pi plus minus 2n pi plus minus alpha. What is alpha? Alpha is here pi by 6. Alpha is pi by 6. So 2n pi plus minus pi by 6 implies x is equal to 2n pi by 2 n pi plus minus pi over 12, where n belongs to z, the set of integers. Question number 3. Root 3 cot x is equal to minus 1. This can be written as tan x, cot x equal to minus 1 by root 3. So tan x is equal to minus root 3. Tan x is equal to minus root 3. This implies tan x is equal to minus root 3 minus root 3 can be written as tan pi by 3 minus tan pi by 3, that is equal to minus tan pi by 3 can be written as tan pi minus pi by 3. Again the least value. This we are taking the least value. If we take tan pi minus pi by 3, in the second quadrant tan is negative, so tan pi minus pi by 3 is equal to minus tan pi by 3. We are taking the least value. So tan pi minus pi by 3 is equal to tan of 2 pi by 3. So if tan theta is equal to tan alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. So tan theta is what? X. Therefore x is equal to theta equal to what? N pi plus alpha. N pi plus tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Alpha is what? 2 pi by 3. So n pi plus alpha. N pi plus 2 pi by 3. So we get x equal to n pi plus 2 pi by 3, where n belongs to z. This is the general solution. Solve. Sec 4x minus sec 2x sec 2x is equal to 2. Sec 2x is equal to 2. Sec 2x is equal to 2. We can write it as sec 4x 1 over cos 4x minus 1 over cos 2x is equal to 2. This implies cos 2x, if we simplify, we will get like this: cos 2x minus cos 4x is equal to 2 cos 4x cos 2x will get, which can be written as cos of 6x plus cos of 2x, cos of 6x plus cos of 2x. How? 2 cos a cos b, 2 cos a cos b form. So cos of a plus b, 4x plus 2x, 6x plus cos of a minus b, 4x minus 2x is equal to 2x. Now see this cos 2x get cancelled. We get cos 6x, we get cos 6x plus cos 4x is equal to 0. Cos minus cos 4x goes to that side. So this implies cos c plus cos d form. We can write it 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2 cos c plus d 6x plus 4x 10x by 2, that is equal to 2 cos 5x, 2 cos 5x into cos c minus d by 2, cos x is equal to 0. 6x minus 4x by 2, 2x by 2, that is equal to cos x is equal to 0. Therefore, either we get cos 5x is equal to 0, either cos 5x is equal to 0 or cos x is equal to 0 or cos x is equal to 0. This implies 5x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. How? If cos theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So if cos 5x is equal to 0, 5x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 implies x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 10. Similarly here, if cos x is equal to 0, x equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z. N belongs to z. This is n belongs to z. Okay. Next, question number 5. Tan 5x. The question is given tan 5x is equal to cot 2x. This cot 2x can be written as tan of pi by 2 minus 2x. Tan 90 minus tan pi by 2 minus theta cot theta. So if tan theta is equal to tan alpha, go to here. Go to point number 6. If tan theta is equal to tan alpha, theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. So if tan theta is equal to tan alpha, then theta equal to n pi plus alpha. This implies 5x is equal to what? 5x equal to n pi plus alpha. That is n pi plus alpha is what? Pi by 2 minus 2x, where n belongs to z. This implies 7x minus 2x comes to this side. 7x is equal to n pi plus pi by 2, n pi plus pi by 2, n pi plus pi by 2 implies x is equal to n pi by 7 plus pi over 14, n belongs to z. So this is the general solution. And the general solution, if it is given cot square x is equal to 3, cot square x is equal to 3. This can be written as tan square x is equal to 1 by 3. Tan square x is equal to 1 by 3. implies 1 by 3 can be written as 1 over root 3 whole square. Why I have written like this, 1 by root 3 whole square? We are trying to bring in the form of tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. If tan square theta equal to tan square alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. Then theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. If tan square theta equal to tan square alpha. I am trying to bring this in this form. Tan square is equal to 1 by 3. That is equal to 1 by root 3 whole square, which is equal to tan square pi by 6. Tan square pi by 6. This implies x is equal to, if tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha, if tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. So x pi is equal to n pi plus minus, what is alpha? Alpha is here pi by 6 plus minus pi by 6, n belongs to z, n pi plus minus pi by 6. Next type, suppose it is given root 3 cos x, root 3 cos x plus sin x is equal to, sin x is equal to 1. See the form. It is in the form of a cos x plus b sin x is equal to 1. Then what to do? Divide both sides by root over of a square plus b square. Then divide both sides by root over of a square plus b square. If you get such type of form, then divide both sides by root over a square plus b square. So here we divide both sides by divide by root over of square root of root 3 square plus this sin x means 1 into sin x plus 1 square, that is equal to root over 4, that is equal to 2. That is equal to 2. We get root 3 over, dividing by 2, we get root 3 over 2 cos x plus 1 by 2 sin x is equal to 1 by 2. This implies root 3 by 2 is the value of cos pi by 6. So cos x into root 3 by 2 is cos pi by 6, cos x cos pi by 6 plus sin x, and half is the value of sin pi by 6. Sin pi by 6 is equal to half. So we got this in the form of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, which is equal to cos A minus B. So this can be written as cos A minus B, x minus pi by 6, which is equal to half. Half is cos of pi by 3. So why I wrote cos pi by 3 in place of half? We want to bring in this form. If cos theta is equal to cos alpha, if cos theta, this is theta, is equal to cos alpha, if cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then theta equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Then theta means this. Therefore, x minus pi by 6 is equal to theta equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. 2n pi plus minus alpha. What is alpha? Alpha is here pi by 3. 2n pi plus minus pi by 3. N belongs to z. N belongs to z. Therefore, x minus pi by 6 equal to this. Either x minus pi by 6 is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 3, or x minus pi by 6 is equal to 2n pi minus pi by 3. One value I took 2n pi plus pi by 3, and the other value 2n pi minus pi by 3. If we solve, we will get x is equal to, from here we will get x is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 3 plus pi by 3 plus pi by 6, that is equal to 3 pi by 6, that is equal to pi by 2, we'll get pi by 2, and here we'll get, this implies x is equal to 2n pi minus pi by 3 plus pi by 6, that is equal to 2n pi minus pi by 6, minus pi by 3 plus pi by 6, we'll get minus pi by 6. Question given that sec square 2x, sec square 2x is equal to 1 minus tan 2x is equal to 1 minus tan 2x. So we'll change this sec square 2x in terms of tan. In terms of tan, this implies 1 plus tan square 2x is equal to 1 minus tan 2x. 1 minus tan 2x. This one get cancelled. This implies tan square 2x plus tan 2x equal to 0. So if we take tan 2x common, we get tan 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this implies either tan 2x equal to 0 or tan 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Either tan 2x equal to 0 or tan 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Implies if tan theta is equal to 0, we know that theta equal to n pi. If tan theta is equal to, theta is here 2x, so theta is equal to, if tan theta is equal to 0, theta equal to n pi. So here 2x is equal to n pi, implies x is equal to n pi by 2. And here tan 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So tan 2x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is the value of minus tan pi by 4. Minus tan pi by 4. This minus tan pi by 4 can be written as, implies tan 2x is equal to tan pi minus pi by 4 is equal to tan pi minus pi by 4, that is equal to tan of 3 pi by 4. So tan 2x equal to tan 3 pi by 4. Therefore 2x is equal to what? If tan theta is equal to tan alpha, theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Here n pi plus alpha is what? 3 pi by 4. N pi plus 3 pi by 4. N belongs to z. Implies x equal to n pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 8. N belongs to z. This is the general solution. Next question, root 3 question. Suppose root 3 cos x minus 3 sin x is equal to 4 sin 2x 4 sin 2x into cos 3x given, into cos 3x. This can be written as 2 into, right within bracket, 2 sin 2x cos 3x is equal to 2 into this 2 sin 2x cos 3x, or 2 cos 3x sin 2x. If you write in this form, 2 cos 3x sin 2x, there's 2 cos sin b, you will get sin a plus b, 2 into sin a plus b. We are taking it as cos a sin b. We are taking this as a, this 3x as a and 2x as b. 2 cos a sin b. We will get sin 3x plus 2x, sin 3x plus 2x, sin a plus b minus sin a minus b minus sine 3x minus 2x. We will get this. So we will get this equal to 2 sine 5x minus sine x. So what we got? Root 3 cos x minus 3 sine x is equal to 2 into sine 5x minus sine x. This implies minus 3 sine x, here 2 sine x, minus 2 sine x. If we simplify, we will get root 3 cos x, root 3 cos x minus sine x is equal to what? Is equal to 2 sine 5x is there, 2 sine 5x, 2 sine 5x. Now next step, what to do? Next step, if we write it, if we divide both sides by 2, we will get root 3 over 2, root 3 over 2 cos x minus 1 over 2 sin x is equal to sin 5x. We divided both sides by 2, which can be written as this root 3 by 2 can be written as cos pi by 6. This implies cos pi by 6 into cos x minus this half can be written as sin pi by 6. Sin pi by 6 into sin x is equal to sin 5x is equal to sin 5x. This implies, so this is in the form of cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. We are taking x as A. So this is equal to cos of A plus B. So this cos of x plus 5 by 6. This is equal to cos of A plus B. Cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos x plus pi by 6 is equal to sin 5x. Sin 5x. So we want to bring this sign in terms of x. So how to write? This sin 5x can be written as cos pi by 2 minus 5x. Pi by 2 minus 5, which is equal to sin 5x. So if cos theta is equal to cos alpha, if cos theta is equal to cos alpha, theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Here theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. So x plus pi by 6, therefore x plus pi by 6 can be written as is x plus pi by 6 is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Alpha is what? Pi by 2. This is alpha. 2n pi plus minus pi by 2 minus 5x. So we can write it as x plus pi by 6 is equal to, one value is 2n pi plus this and the other value is x plus pi by 6 equal to 2n pi minus this. So 2n pi plus pi by 2 minus 5x and the other value is 2n pi minus pi by 2 minus 5x. If we solve these two, if we simplify, we will get the values of x and we will get the general solution.